everyone, welcome to the Sunderland Empire. I'm Steph, the Creative Learning Officer here, and I am thrilled to welcome you to this digital workshop for the Sunderland Music Hub's Big Festive Sing. In this workshop, we're going to learn how to sing Sparkle and Shine from a family favourite at Christmas time, Nativity. So Laura and Ashley, take it away and teach us how to sing Sparkle and Shine.
Thank you, Steph. Hello and welcome to the Big Festive Sing workshops. I'm Laura and this is Ashley, and we're going to be taking you through the material you need to join in with our event. But before we do a song today, let's do a little warm-up. So this warm-up is called The Christmas Bells, and it's a really lovely little song. It goes like this. The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. I'll sing it again. The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. And it's a lovely little warm-up because we get to be really clear with our words. It's got a lovely little melody to it that hits nearly every note in our range, so it's a really, really nice one to warm up with. So let's do a line at a time. Me first. The Christmas bells are ringing. The Christmas bells are ringing. What message are they bringing? What message are they bringing? Have a listen. The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Let's put those lines together, ready? The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Lovely. Then we become the bell. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Let's try that. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. And then we lift the tune. Merry Christmas everyone, Merry Christmas everyone. Have a listen. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. Ready? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. Lovely. Listen one more time all the way through and then we'll have a go at singing it. Ready? It goes. The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. Shall we try? Here we go. 1, 2. The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. And again. The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. The Christmas bells are ringing, what message are they bringing? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, Merry Christmas everyone. Brilliant work everybody, well done. Okay, shall we get into the workshop?
Let's go!
Have a look at the Big Festive Sing Makaton workshop videos to learn some of the signs for these songs. You can find the link to this video in the top right hand corner and in the description below.
Okay, so this workshop we're going to be doing Sparkle and Shine from the film Nativity.
And if you've ever seen that film, the cast in the film are absolutely buzzing with energy. They sing so well. They've got lots of excitement for Christmas. So how are we going to make sure that we sing with excitement and with energy as we sing this song?
So what we can do to help us sing the song is we can stand up, have lots of energy, big smiles, exaggerate the words, and it'll help us reach those high notes.
because the chorus of this song is quite high. It's all the way up here. So, shall we try and sing together with lots of energy? That first section, sparkle and shine. Yes. Should we give it a go, everybody? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and sparkle and shine. Planets gather round. Sparkle and shine. Let's all make a dazzling sound. Are we really making a dazzling sound?
I think we are.
I think we're doing pretty well, but when you sing the long notes that come down, like round, can you make sure that you say the vowel sound with every time you sing the note? Because then we get that round, and it pushes it, gives it a little bit more fun. Instead of singing round, really over push that vowel sound. Ready? Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sparkle and shine, planets gather round. Sparkle and shine, let's all make a dazzling sound. I think that was really good. Well done, everybody. Let's look at the next section then. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's something you won't believe. It's the first time ever Christmas Eve. Brilliant. So, let's go through that chorus again.
Let's do it.
Are we
Makes
ready?
me want to dance.
Sparkle, sparkle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and sparkle and shine. Planets gather round. Sparkle and shine. Let's all make a dazzling sound. Here's something you won't believe. It's the first time ever Christmas Eve. Some people might be like me and find those top notes really quite hard. Because it is difficult, it's tricky to sing all the way up there. Even with the bright face and smiling, it's still hard to reach those notes. So there's a little line that we could sing that's a harmony that's a little bit lower. So let's have a listen to that, because that might be easier for some people to sing. It goes like this. Sparkle and shine, planets gather round. Should we try that? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sparkle and shine, planets gather round. Nice. Let's do that once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sparkle and shine, planets gather round. Brilliant. Then we sing the same thing again. Sparkle and shine, let's all make a dazzling sound. Ready? Let's try that. Ready? 3, 4. Sparkle and shine, let's all make a dazzling sound. Those two lines together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sparkle and shine, planets gather round. Sparkle and shine, let's all make a dazzling sound. That was nice, well done. Then we sing, here's something you won't believe. Listen again. Here's something you won't believe. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and here's something you won't believe. It's the first time ever Christmas Eve. 3, 4. It's the first time ever Christmas Eve. Let's go from here's something you won't believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's something you won't believe. It's the first time ever Christmas Eve. Let's try all of that line. Ready? Sparkle. Still keep that bright face because it helps keep you nice and tuned. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sparkle and shine, planets gather round. Sparkle and shine, let's all make a dazzling sound. Here's something you won't believe. It's the first time ever Christmas Eve. Shall we put those two lines together? Can I sing the low line? Is that okay?
I'll go for the high.
Thank you. Ready? So you can join in with whichever line you like. Sparkle and shine. That's you. Here we
Thank
go.
you.
So there's the top note. Sparkle. Sparkle. And there's the low note. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sparkle and shine, planets gather round. Sparkle and shine, let's all make a dazzling sound. Here's something you won't believe, it's the first time ever Christmas Eve. Should we go once more? Let's do it. Ready and sparkle and shine, planets gather round. Sparkle and shine, let's all make a dazzling sound. Here's something you won't believe, it's the first time ever Christmas Eve.
That's going to sound amazing. And you can sing with whichever voice part you like.
Thanks to Laura and Ashley for that brilliant workshop. Alongside this video, there is a Big Festive Sing toolkit to help you join in at school or at home. In the toolkit, you'll find links to all of our videos, you'll find the backing track, you'll find lyrics to all of the songs and sheet music so you can all join in and feel super festive. The toolkit can be found on our website. The event itself will be streamed on YouTube on Wednesday the 15th of December at 2 p.m. So grab some tinsel, throw on a Christmas jumper and sing along with the Big Sing band. We can't wait to see you there.